Saturday today, but wala si Lola, nasa school. Manalo! Hala. Pamilya nyo. Oh, there's a towel in the crib. You get the towel. Here! There's the towel in the crib. Ayun na yung Zimil sa crib eh. Lagi na... Oo, mabump. Lagi na ito-try. Hala. Mabump yung head mo. Walang talo. So, wawawi. Not my slipper. No. Dirty. Wow! Hello, baby! Hindi ka pa sleepy? Pwede ba matulog na? Naantok na yan. Oh, dance! Oh, wala hawak ko. Ang galing, oh! Yes! Na-video kita kanina, earlier. Ang iyong katawan. Giling! Saral ka man! Dance! Oo, galing! Dance, Mel! Asus, tigas ng katawan. Wala sa daddy nila. Giling mo ang iyong katawan. Kuya! Mel, dance! Dance like this. Pwede ba? Woo! Giling. Galing ni Saisi, oh. Giling. Oh, why are you stopping the email? Yes. Talaga. Bye. What's on your hand? Why? Use that for? What? Rowing your boat? Giling. Giling. Hey, not your diaper. Akala niya pampunas na wiwi. Mel, that's not basahan. It's your diaper. Antok ka na yata eh. Huh? You want to sleep na? Okay, goodbye.